some amazing artists to introduce to you today. This is Glitterfox.
So take my hand, I don't have a plan where we're going. I don't have a plan, is it showing? I don't have a plan but to love you, love you.
So Solange, what are some of your inspirations for writing a song? Like, what's your process, and like, is it the same for all of you?
I write songs about all different things, but this song that we're gonna play, La Da Da, I actually wrote about how I didn't know what to say. So I wrote a song about not knowing what to write a song about.
La da da.